Crystally here. I just wanted to make this video today to go over the importance of growing your social network and making sure that your connections are done properly on sites such as LinkedIn. The first thing that we are going to cover is how to edit a previously entered work experience. Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to go back and edit a work experience? Well, you might need to edit it to connect it to a company that now has a LinkedIn company page with a logo, or you might need to update information like adding a description or pictures. So here's my profile, and I added a test sample company on it so that we can go back and edit it, and I can show you how to go through it step by step. So I'm going to go over here and scroll down all the way down the page, and I'm going to go to where it says experience. Now, you're going to click on the pencil at the very top, which is to edit the entire section for experience. So I'm going to click on the pencil. Then I'm going to look for the pencil that's right next to the work experience that I actually want to edit. So for this one, it's test position for video. So after clicking on that pencil, now for this right here, so the first thing we're going to cover is how to add an existing company page that has a logo. So I'm going to go to where it says company name, and I'm going to wipe out what I typed in previously. Now I'm going to go and type in my company page. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to type in strengthening. So I just started the first 4 letters and already strengthening it did come up. Sometimes it might take longer. You might have to actually type in the entire name for it to come up, but this time it came up right away. So that's it. So that's basically it. It's really simple. I went back and I deleted it, and then I typed in the company actual name that I wanted it to reflect, and then the logo came up with it. Now let's say if you wanted to add pictures, we're going to scroll down, and then we'll click over here where it says media. Now I'm going to click on add media. You can add a link. Let's say if you wanted to link it to a video that's like on YouTube or on Vimeo, or you can go to actually add pictures that you want to upload. So I'm going to go over here to add media, upload pictures, and then I'm going to go to the desktop and select an image. And this is the image that I'm going to upload. Now you can give it a description. So this happens to be Lightning McQueen, and I can add me at a conference. Then you can just add a description that goes along with it. Me networking with everyone. And that's basically it. And I hit apply. Then I'm going to go back and hit save, and make sure you hit save because you want it to update. And if you want to share it with everybody to let them know about your new, if you just added this, a new position, or you want to let them know, maybe you never told anybody before, you never added it to your feed, you can either post it or just hit the X if you don't want it to be shared on your feed. And that's it. So now it's up here. It's showing that this is the most recent position or job that I'm holding at this company. But that's exactly how you would go and edit it for adding a logo and connecting it to an actual page and to adding media. Thank you guys for tuning in. Okay, bye.